Hi everybody, this is Scotty with Sketchy's Garage. I'm here with Phil and Parrish. We're down at Joe's shop talking cars. What do you guys think about the rust rocket that me and Joe's put on the table the other day?
That's the one that was sitting outside of your shop, right?
Yes sir, by the gas tank.
I think, it's pretty much gone, but I'm fascinated to see what you're gonna do with it and how you're gonna make it feasible without spending a bunch of money on it to do whatever you're gonna do with it. But I've got faith in you. I know you can do it.
What would you think someone would have something in that if to fix it up, get it back driving and stuff again?
How much?
How much money?
Just on a low note and just putting a junkyard motor and stuff in it, you're probably looking at 20 grand.
That seems pretty fair. What about you, Mr. Parrish? How you feel about the car?
I think you need an intervention.
What are you talking about? You hating on the rust rocket?
No, I think it's that far gone, but...
What are you talking about?
I don't know, man.
You're looking at all the negatives. What about all the positives?
Well, the positive is that it's a Camaro, but if anybody can do it, you probably can. That's for damn sure.
Yeah, I'm just interested. I'm interested in looking at it through the process and actually finding out what you guys are going to do with it. Because I know it can be done. I know you guys can do it.
I don't know. You guys are looking at me like I'm kind of crazy a little bit.
Yeah, when you drag something in like that in on a table and it's nothing but pieces and rust, that's,
Barely holding together.
But I thought rust was gold these days. I see that all the time on YouTube. Rusty gold.
Some insanity with it,
Yeah, I see what you're saying.
Yeah. Wow.
So when we get it done and then driving, would you take a ride in it, or would you think it's too sketchy?
Yeah,
yeah, and I hope it throws me back in the seat.
Me too. I'm anxious. I want to see what's going to happen.
I hope you don't have to come back.
I want to see what the viewers think about the first few videos, and I don't know how you're going to do it. If they're going to be in the decision process, I'm anxious to see what they decide and what you decide.
Yep, I think that'd be really cool. I'm really wanting to lean on the viewers on what direction to take the car. So you guys out there, help us out. Let us know what you would like to see it built as, and we'll do the best we can to bring it to you.
I think you'll do fine.
Cool. Got anything in the closing note?
I'm just anxious to see it, when y'all get started and what the process is going to be as far as cutting it apart and stuff. But, like I said, I've got total faith in you, Scotty. That's what you do for a living, man. You do good work.
Alrighty, thank you, sir. How about you, Mr. Parrish?
I'm interested to see how it turns out. I think it'd be pretty badass. Yeah.
Alrighty. Here's the naysayers or yaysayers. You tell me.
We got faith in you,
man. Yay, we're going.
Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe and check out our other videos. Talk to you later.